As you all know, it's scholarship application season, and I always got your back, and I always bring to you information that is going to help you achieve your academic goals since you want to study abroad or the fully funded scholarship. So it's just more like, get your scholarship, you get your bag, you get your clothes, and you leave your country and go another country to study for free. So that is why I am here to always bring to you information, schools, and all tips and tricks that you can use to apply for scholarship. So in today's video, I am at the University of East Anglia in the United Kingdom, where I'll be taking you through a fully funded scholarship that would fund your master's degree on fully, so it covers your full tuition fee and everything. So shortly we're going to go over that, and we're going to see what the school has for you. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, welcome. And where have you been? So my name is Lucy, and on this channel I share information about fully funded scholarship across the world. So our YouTube channel is just 2 months old, and we have been doing amazingly well. And thanks to all our amazing subscribers and those who are always returning to watch our videos. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the support. And if you are new on my channel, then I guess you have missed a lot. But then find time to go through all of our previous videos. I'm sure you're going to find something for yourself. So I make videos on fully funded scholarship across the world for your bachelor's degree, for your master's degree, for your PhD. So just stick around with me, and do not forget to subscribe. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Also turn on the notification bell so whenever I post any video, you will be notified. And if you have any question at all for me, or you want me to talk about any content at all, please drop that on the comment section, and I'll be very, very happy to talk about it. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be glad to see that our family will be increasing. And of course, I will always be here to bring you very good and amazing updates. All right, so let's go back to why we are here today. So today it's a fully funded scholarship at the University of East Anglia, and it is called the David Sainsbury Scholarship in Global Plant Health. So this scholarship is basically for those who have interest to study masters in global plant health, and it is fully funded, and it is at the University of East Anglia in the United Kingdom. So this is a very good university. I have friends who graduated from this school, and it's an amazing school. And recently on my YouTube channel, I made a video. I put about some schools in the UK you can search for that has lots of scholarship that covers schools that covers different area of study. So please take a look at that particular video. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. So it is called 4 universities in the UK that offers fully funded scholarship, whether for your bachelor's degree, for your master, your PhD. So please do check that out. I trust you're going to find something from that video. So let's take a look more at why we are here today. So the Sainsbury Laboratory offer prestigious David Sainsbury Scholarship in Global Plant Health to limited number of applicants in MSc Global Plant Health. So if you want to read more about the course, you just click in here and it takes you down to the particular course website. So let's see what the scholarship covers. So the scholarship is full scholarship and covers up to full tuition fee. So full cost for tuition fee is about £35,000. This is huge. This is huge. This is so much money, for someone to get for scholarship. And also give a maintenance grant of up to £19,237, an additional £4,000 for your travel cost. So for me, this is really, really good. You see, in fact, it's just for you to come, leave your home country and come to the UK and study the course of your choice for free. So if you have interest in health or in plants, then this scholarship is definitely for you. But if you are not eligible to apply for this program, please do share this with other people who might be eligible. So here are the eligibility criteria for you to apply for the scholarship. One, it says you must hold a place which is an offer from the University of East Anglia or a master's degree in global plant health. So what I would advise you here is that as soon as you have done watching this video, or you know anyone who can apply for this program, please do share this link with them, and they should go to the course website and review what is expected for you to submit for the course application. So please do submit a very good application, review the course eligibility criteria, ensure that you have all of your documents well prepared and ready. Also on my YouTube channel, I have put in for information of what you need to apply for scholarship and for admission, all of your documents you need to put in place. I'll also drop the link in the description box so you can have to see what you need to prepare for as you prepare to apply for the scholarship. Okay, and it also says that those who are eligible must be in nationals from a low or least developed, low income or middle income country. So the list of the countries that are eligible for the program, we will look at it shortly for the next year academic session. So you say that they have limited number of scholarships available. So I will advise that you apply as soon as possible. So this is the second scholarship, which is 50% tuition fee. This particular one is given to those who are not from low income countries, so those who are UK based, or if you are not from those countries that are tagged as from low income country. So our focus is more on for all of our Africans and those from other countries. We are more for the full MSc Masters. So only those in the UK or from EU are those that are supposed to apply for 50% tuition fee. Okay, so let's see what the course covers. So the course type is so it's postgraduate taught, which is master's degree. The funding fully covers your full tuition fee and also give maintenance support. The course will be starting, of course, by September 2025. And here are the criteria. So if you're applying for the 100% tuition fee, then you must be from a socio-economic related background, and then you must also be an international paying fee student. That's for those who are applying for the 100% tuition fee scholarship. But then if you're applying for the 50% tuition fee scholarship, then you must be a UK based student, or you'll be paying the UK based fee. Okay, and then so this particular course is under the Faculty of Science or Faculty of Biological Sciences, and the course that is only eligible for this program is the MSc Global Plant Health. So I will encourage you to take a look at the course website and see what the course is eligible for you to apply for. And these are all of the eligible countries. You can see those from Middle East, Africa, Asia, North America, South America. So it's actually open to different area, but there we are not sure the number of applicants that will be accepted for this for the scholarship. So I will advise you apply as soon as possible for you to secure a place for yourself for this scholarship. So here are the application process that you need or that is required for you to apply for the scholarship. So it's a very straightforward process. So provided you meet the eligibility criteria, you'll be automatically considered for the scholarship based on a competitive basis. So it means that as soon as you just apply for admission, then you are considered for the scholarship. So here is the deadline for the scholarship. So the deadline for you to apply for the course is 30th of May 2025 for international applicants, and if you are in UK, the deadline for application is 29th of August. But then I would say for international applicants, please apply as soon as possible. Do not wait till May, even March before you apply. As soon as you got your document, you should apply for the scholarship as soon as you can. Okay, so yeah, that's it about scholarship. Let's take a look at the list of countries. So here are I just clicked on the link previously on the page to check about the list of countries that are eligible for the scholarship, so you can understand what they mean by countries from low income and least developed. So you have an idea of the countries that are eligible to apply for the program. So here are the list of the countries that are eligible to apply. So I guess it's definitely going to find your country on this list. So please do apply if you find your name. So but then there's a lot of countries here from Asia, from Africa, North America. Definitely going to find something for yourself here. So please do consider taking a look at this list in details. I'm also going to drop this in the comments, in the description box as well. And here is the website to the school page, the course page. So ensure that you do a very detailed review on this particular course page. Understand what the course is looking at for, because this information is going to be very helpful for you to put together your personal statement and for you to be able to submit a very good application. So please do a very, very detailed search and understand what the course is expecting you to do. It's a very great course, very, very interesting one. So I would say, consider, looking at this carefully. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope that you find value for this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Ensure that you like and comment. Drop any question you have for me in the description and in the comment section, and I'll be very glad to respond to you. So thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really, really do appreciate that. All right then, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.